A lot of you have probably read Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. He talks about active income, money you work for, and passive income, money that works for you. Kiyosaki says the key to financial freedom is to building assets that generate passive income. But here's the thing, many college graduates and young people don't put this into practice. Even after learning about it, Rich Dad Poor Dad misses some important points. That's where Unlock It by Dan Lok comes in. Dan Lok, an internet marketer and business consultant, offers fresh insight on money. His book explains practical strategy you can use right away. He focuses on identifying your high-income skill, leveraging them, and creating multiple income streams. So, if you have read Kiyosaki's book and felt stuck, check out Unlock It. It might just change how you think about money and help you start building that financial freedom. Nowadays, everyone talks about passive money income, thinking it means earning money without any effort once it's set up. While it's true that passive income can keep coming in, setting up the system to generate it takes a lot of planning, effort, and time. Most people aren't ready for this kind of commitment because it's much harder than the easy lifestyle often shows in photos of businessmen. Big names like Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and Jack Ma could live off the passive income from their businesses without working, thanks to the strong system they have built. But even with this financial freedom, they still work every day. In contrast, many people dream of earning passive income to live without working. The definition of passive income suggests you earn money without doing anything. But in reality, that's not how it works. Whether it's real estate or selling products online, everything requires effort. Changes in market condition, government policies, and people's need mean you constantly have to adjust and keep working. Dan Lok suggests replacing passive income with the term leverage income. This means using other people's time, resources, and technology to get most result with the least effort. For example, Instagram and Twitter use the internet as leverage. Amazon and courier service use delivery workers, and Ola and Uber use vehicles as leverage. The best way to create wealth by leveraging technology and resources, not just hoping for passive income without any effort. Dan Lok explains that there are two ways to create wealth, the slow way and the fast way. The slow way is the traditional path that your relatives and teachers suggest, getting good grades, landing a high-paying job, and investing your savings to secure a comfortable life in 30 to 40 years. The issue with this slow way is that it takes a long time and relies on others, like your boss and the company you invest in. On the other hand, the fast way is building a system that follows the wealth triangle, which has three key parts. The first side of the wealth triangle is all about having high income skills, which means having skills that can earn you $10,000 or more each month. Nowadays, robots are taking over some jobs, and companies prefer hiring freelancers instead of full-time employees. The market values skills more than formal degrees. We are moving from a job-focused economy to one that values skills. So, if you want financial stability, it's smart to focus on developing this high-income skill before starting your own business. This skill will also help you run your business more successfully. Dan Lok explains that money isn't magically created. It comes from delivering value to the market. The more value you provide, the more money you can earn. For example, public speakers can earn a lot in just a few hours because their speeches can greatly benefit a company's profit. High-income skills include things like consulting, copywriting, public speaking, and digital marketing. Let's say you are a skilled copywriter and you make some changes to company's website that double their sales. This could potentially double company's revenue from $10 million to $20 million. The company would be happy to pay you well for your contribution. The second part of the wealth triangle is about having a scalable business. This means creating a business that doesn't need a lot of resources to grow and can expand globally. One way to do this is by taking your high-income skill online, tapping into the worldwide reach of the internet. Businesses on the internet are expected to do really well in the future, where your online reputation can turn into real money. A great example of Kylie Jenner, who became the youngest billionaire ever because of her huge social media following. Some people think that only real estate is an asset after reading Rich Dad, Poor Dad. But assets can come in many forms, like idea, customer information, and brand reputation. If you think about it differently, platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Google, and the whole internet can be like a bank where you deposit your talent and withdraw money based on how much people value your skills. The third part of the wealth triangle is about making high return investment, which means investing in things that give you more money back than real estate. Gold stock, mutual fund, fixed deposit, and cryptocurrency. You might be curious about what kind of investment could give you such high returns. Well, the answer is investing in yourself. Many billionaires think that before putting money into mutual funds or other investments, you should focus on improving yourself. It's like this: if you chase after money, it tends to run away. But if you have something valuable to offer, money will come to you. Other investments can sometimes go wrong or market can crash, but the value of your skills will never drop to zero. Using the wealth triangle, lots of creative people like artists, YouTubers, vloggers, and Instagram influencers have made millions without starting traditional businesses. Many folks think that rich people are automatically not good, but money itself doesn't have any good or bad quality. It just makes a person's existing traits more obvious. Just like there are some not so great poor folks, there are also some not so great rich ones. Money acts like a magnifying glass. It shows more of who you already are, whether that's good or bad. If someone is already not great, having wealth might mean they can do more not great things. But if someone is good, having money might mean they can do more good things on a bigger scale. Take Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and Warren Buffett for example. They are some of the richest people around, and they donate a lot of charity because they naturally want to do good things. To some of the main points from Dan Lock's Unlock 8. First, forget about passive income and focus on leverage income to build wealth. Second, learn high-income skills. Use the wealth triangle to grow your business online and invest in yourself for the best returns. Lastly, realize that money just shows more of who you already are. It's neither good or bad. I found this idea from Unlock 8 to be really practical and easier to grasp than those in Rich Dad Poor Dad. If you know Dan Lok, I recommend giving this book a read. And if you haven't checked out Rich Dad Poor Dad yet, it's worth a look too.